buzz around. That's too wide from Paris, and Wade says, thank you very much. So one slip now. It's brought about the field change out. Oh, Wade goes big. Swung around, ends, and with great results for the Scorchers. So a chance here. He's away, is he? Yes, he is. Bangs it into the square wicket, and it flies. Momentum through the ball, but he's hit one straight to mid-on. He was frustrated from the previous delivery when you're in this sort of form. Great New Zealand batsman. Oh!
Perth on the back of some very, very good bowling. Hopefully get away with a relatively cheap over before the batsmen really decide to go. 6.
Well, he's finally got one, Malenko, and he gets a maximum for it.
Oh, bang. On the toe of the bat, but it's far enough. It's into the fence for another maximum.
By the end of tonight, as Kelly comes in and gets a wicket. If they win tonight, the Scorchers will be over there at that stadium. Going to clear the front leg and go leg side. That's just pumped back over Johnson's head. 6 runs. It's a 50 for Malenko off just 29 balls. Great striking.
What's a super knock that?
4 deliveries left at the stumps, and third man's up. It's going to profit with 4 more. It's down to Timmy Gossage. He wanted it.
Yes, I certainly did a slutter move. My best days are behind me. I do apologise.
So last ball, Malenko on 64. Been a wonderful innings. Goes out to the deep.
2.
Whiteman coming around. Picks up. Jofra wants another.
Jeez, he might have got there too.
Malenko's not interested. What a brilliant innings. Simon Malenko, 66 off 37 balls. 4 4s, 5 6s. So we see Rogers. Oh, high, backtracking his point. He gets there. What a great catch, Darcy Short. We'll just hold you there, Sean Marsh.
With that left of screen you're talking about there, Gilly. Oh, that's lofted over mid-off. Another great shot.
There was previously announced by the government here.
Shot.
Oh, that is beautifully executed.
In the slip area now with a mid-wicket in place. I think he's going to bowl short and in at the body again.
Oh, got him.
Oh, he got him all right. At pin Klinger. And
oh, got him again. Better shot. The man in the deep probably should have done a bit better into the side screen.
Making the ball go to that long boundary on the leg side. Oh, he's bowled him.
old Tippity. Oh, he decides to go big. Nothing tipsy about that. So aggression from Rogers. Oh, boom. Even more aggressive from Bancroft. Holds back in his crease.
And get under someone with his speed.
Big piece. And there it is. It was a slow ball, Roy, that did it.
Catch.
Oh.
The keeper's end might be tight here.
Trouble.
Oh! That's how you do it, son.
It's a classic piece of outfielding from Jofra Archer.
We go to a count back. If that's tight, they count back to the boundaries. Oh, has he got enough? Indeed he has. Listen to this.
Swings the game again in the Scorchers' favour. There's that shot I was talking about. Has he got enough on it? I reckon he has. Ooh. It's one bounce forward, a fine leg. Ashton Turner brings up his 50 as well. From just 27 balls. The Scorchers do it again.